Hey guys, another earthquake, 5.0 magnitude down in Puerto Rico. That's another ongoing earthquakes that are happening there, plus aftershocks, another one 4.5 as well. So ongoing earthquakes. Newest one today is 5.0 earthquake.
5.0 magnitude earthquake hit southern Puerto Rico on Saturday at a shallow depth, raising concerns about unstable infrastructure in a region that has been hit by quakes every day for nearly a month. The U.S. Geological Survey said the quake occurred at a depth of 8 miles, 13 kilometers, around the southern coastal town of Guayanilla, located close to the epicenters of most of the recent earthquakes. At least one small landslide was reported. The newest quake comes a day after hundreds of people in the island's southern region were evacuated from earthquake shelters that flooded after heavy rains hit the U.S. territory. In the coastal city of Ponce alone, more than 350 people on Friday were moved back into a school that served as the initial shelter when the ground first began shaking. Angel Vasquez, the city's emergency management director.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.